identity, and your identity is actually not what you think it is. It's not what people have told you all your life. It's not what people have conditioned you to believe, right? You have your own identity. Your own identity is not what other people try to put on you. Not their beliefs, not their views, not their visions. You have your own vision. You have your own way of doing things. You have your own things that you love to do in life, right? So your visions are your visions, and what you love to do creates your identity. What you love, what you do in your life, who you are, how you feel about certain topics, your belief system, all of that stuff creates your identity. It's not what other people call you. It's not what other people tell you. It's not what other people are doing in your life to make you believe a certain way, right? That's their own beliefs. That's not your beliefs, that's their beliefs. So you never want to go off of somebody else and somebody else's beliefs. You want to form your own opinions, your own views, your own beliefs, and stick to your beliefs. Be confident in what you say. Be confident in what you believe. Know what you're doing is right. Know that you have your own views, your own standards, your own things that you want in life, your own things that you want to accomplish. And that's really what it's about. If you have your own things that you want to accomplish, you know exactly what you need to do to get there. The thing about it is we have external forces that try to keep us away from our dreams. They try to protect us, or they hate on us, and they try to keep us away from the things that we want to do. So either they're hating on you, or they're trying to protect you, but their way of protection to you is not really what you need in your life. You need a support system, not people that are going to try to keep you away from your dreams. So I always try to encourage people to go after their dreams. Never stop doing what you want to do in life, and always go after, always achieve it, always keep going, because that is what keeps you motivated, and that's going to create your identity. Your identity is not what other people think of you. What other people think of you is their own perception, their own identity, but they don't know nothing about you. They don't know what you've been through. They don't know what you had to experience in your life. They don't know any of that stuff, right? So you want to create your own identity, and your identity is not what they say about you. You have your own individual way of doing things. So that is your identity, and what other people say about you, it's irrelevant. So sometimes in order to keep away the negative energy, sometimes we have to put up our barriers. Sometimes we have to, put up a boundary, right? So it might be a friend or family member that is being negative towards what you're doing in business or what you're doing in life. Sometimes is what we have to do is we have to put up that boundary and be like, you know what, so-and-so, I respect your opinion, I respect your belief, but I see things, differently, and it's okay to have your own beliefs, but I'm living life for me. I'm gonna have my own way of doing things, and I do things because I love to do them, and that's what really matters. I want to live and love my life to the fullest, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. So we could talk about something else, and I respect your beliefs. I respect your opinions. I know you're trying to protect me, or I know that you feel your own certain way about what I'm doing, but I'm going to continue doing what I love because it makes me happy. And that's all you got to say, and you leave it there. You leave it there. Sometimes we have to create those boundaries, and sometimes that might even involve, blocking people online or on your phone, or not communicating with certain people who are bringing you down in life, right? So you always going to have people that bring you up in life. If they're not motivating you, if they're not bringing you up, if they're not helping you, if they're not supportive, then they're not really going to be true to you when you get higher up in business and when you start achieving your goals. They're going to find reasons of why you're acting different now, because you're changing, right? They're not changing, they're not growing, and part of growing is change. So you always want to keep that in mind, and you always want to go after what you want to do and not what somebody else wants you to do.